Well, Operation Sindoor and how India carried out the counter strikes, this is now very much visible in that very impact that can be seen in this video that has been shared by the Indian Army. There you can see the moment of impact, how these drones that were shot down, and what is being said by the Indian Army that Pakistani armed forces launched multiple attacks using drones and other munitions along the entire western border on the intervening night of 8th and 9th of May 2025. Pakistani troops also resorted to numerous ceasefire violations along the LOC in Jammu and Kashmir. The drone attacks were effectively repulsed. Befitting reply was given to the ceasefire violations. Indian Army Rishabh remains committed to safeguarding the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the nation. All nefarious designs will be responded with full force. That is the message coming from the Indian Army. And of course, the very moment of the attack, the impact that is being shared, how these drones were swatted like flies.
Well, the statement that has come in from Indian Army, the third paragraph goes without saying. Indian Army has always stood for the sovereignty and integrity of the country, and all nefarious design against the country has been throttled, is what we are given to understand. Having said that, we need to understand what has happened overnight. Shimla agreement has been breached on all counts. India now is in a point where India doesn't have to care about any global pressure. All bilateral treaties, all bilateral agreements between India and Pakistan for the last 75 years have been put on hold, and not only by saying it, by acting upon it by Pakistan. The escalation that we have seen since April 22nd, since Pahalgam happened, and in last 36 hours, the way Pakistanis have not only breached the LOC but also tried to breach the international border in Punjab and Rajasthan sector, it is very clear that India now holds the right to respond.
But right now the emphasis we want to put is actually on this video that has been released by the Indian Army. Very much clear how the Indian Army successfully blasted Pakistani drones there. There you can see the imagery that is now being shared, possibly a Pakistani drone, and the moment of the impact. You can see the blast that seems to be happening. This is effectively when it comes to our air defense systems that were efficiently thwarting these drones that were coming in like a swarm of bees. At least 50 of these drones by Pakistan that were sent across in retaliation have been downed by India, and this is something that the message that has now come across from the Indian Army saying that multiple Pakistani drones were successfully intercepted, and this is the very moment of the interception. Boom, you can see the blast that seems to be happening, and multiple of these drones that were thwarted, they were brought down as they were targeting when it comes to the military infrastructure and the civilian infrastructure, mainly when it comes to such pictures that came in from Jammu. And right now, as we are looking at the situation that has been developing, Army has released this video of these strikes, how we successfully thwarted Pakistani attack, and the Indian Army also saying that there were multiple ceasefire violations as well. Pakistani troops also resorted to multiple ceasefire violations along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir, and these very drone attacks were effectively repulsed, and befitting response that was given to the ceasefire violations as well. So the Indian Army, kudos to our defense forces. They continue to remain committed to safeguarding our sovereignty and our territorial integrity of the nation, and all of the nefarious designs of Pakistan is now being responded with equal force and measure. And this is evidence that Pakistan also needs to see that India has the military might that Pakistan in no way can match. And this is effective and evident with the pictures that are now being shared on part of the Indian Army. So looking as far as when it comes to the successful drive that has now been carried out by India, we are now expecting, Colonel Rathod, that the briefing which is expected to take place in a short while from now, we'll get to know the entirety, the intensity and the impact that the Indian retaliation and response have had on the Pakistani side as well, sir.
The briefing which we are eagerly waiting today, most of us expect that it will be just update on the previous briefing. But what I am...
Colonel Rathod, just interrupting you, sir, we're getting another